Greetings. I want to preface this video with the warning that you should not give direct access to administrative tools to non-administrators directly on your domain controller. You should not do this. But in the real world, people need to cut costs and therefore cut corners and compromise security while doing so. I had a client that was running his Active Directory on the same machine as his remote desktop server. So all his users was using the DC as a remote server. We all know you should not do this, but I've seen numerous questions regarding delegating AD access to non-administrators on an actual domain controller. So here we are. This server is currently functioning both as a domain controller and has remote desktop services installed. And this client needed a non-administrative user to add and remove members from an AD group. So he wanted to delegate these permissions, which was simple enough, but this needed to be done directly on the domain controller, which added some complexity because they had no rights to actually open AD users and computers snapping. And I'll just confirm the installed services by running this command so you can see. Both services are installed on this machine. Remote desktop services and Active Directory domain services. So when user logs into this server, I'm using the test account here, they try to open up AD users and computers and immediately are prompted for permissions. So we enter their credentials and we get logon failure. The user has not been granted the requested logon type at this computer. So they are unable to open AD users and computers. So let's go back to our admin account and open local group policies. The issue at hand is they need this specific permission of allow logon locally, even though they are able to log on to the device. This is a DC, so the option to add the user here is grayed out. So you should do this through group policy. But for the sake of time, I see print operators is here, so I will simply put the user in the print operators and have them try again. So we open the properties of my test user, go member of, and we put the user in the print operators group. So back on our user account, we try and launch again. We are prompted to enter our credentials. And great, it launches. So this user should be able to manage these groups, but as you will see, they are unable to add or remove members. We will need to delegate permissions, so let's quickly set that up. Admin account, we go to the Manage Groups OU, right-click on the folder, delegate control, and go through the screen of adding the user. Give them permissions to modify the membership and finish. So all the groups within this OU, this user will be able to manage, i.e. add or remove members. Let's go back to our user account and relaunch AD users and computers. Enter our credentials. Open our groups, and we can add and remove users now. We are just limited to that OU. So if we go to another OU and try to add members, you will see the user is unable to do so. So this is how you would launch AD directly on the DC as a non-admin, which is not recommended. But thank you for watching. Hopefully you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. This has been brought to you by AIP Solutions.